All right, we're getting some news that there has been a fire breakout at the Make in India event. These are the visuals that are coming in of people leaving the venue. The fire broke out on the stage of the Make in India event. There you have it, a major fire that has broken out, people being evacuated out of that venue. And this happened at the Make in India event. Now you can clearly see that there are lots of police personnel we can see at the moment in those visuals there. They are trying to evacuate the people with a major fire that broke out on the stage. It in fact has engulfed the entire stage with the fire extinguishers in place there trying to douse the fire at the moment. But since that entire setup is made of fabric and wood, you can see how fast the fire that started in one corner of the stage rapidly spread across the stage. And those are visuals coming in from the Make in India event in Mumbai, where you can see fire that has broken out on the stage in that event. People hurriedly being evacuated as the fire had engulfed the entire stage set up there with smoke billowing out of the venue. This was a major event, week-long Make in India event in Mumbai, and today this fire broke out on the stage. We understand that the fire brigades are in place and fire extinguishers are being used to douse that fire that broke out on the stage. Starting from a small corner of the stage, the fire rapidly spread across the stage in this particular venue, and the people were immediately evacuated out of the venue. All right, at this particular moment, you can see how that fire broke out. There was a performance that was going on at the moment when that fire broke out on the stage. Immediately, there were people on the stage who were performing, who were asked to get off the stage, and within minutes, this fire engulfed the entire stage. As you can very clearly see that it started at a corner of the stage, and with the structure obviously being made out of a lot of woodwork over there, the fire rapidly spread across the stage. Not only were the people who were performing on the stage brought down immediately, but the people at the entire venue were also asked to leave the venue immediately. The fire gained massive proportions in no time, with it engulfing the entire stage. And fire extinguishers were used. As you can see there, a man carrying a fire extinguisher trying to put the fire under control, but the fire rapidly engulfing the entire stage. Mustafa Sheikh is now joining us with more details from Mumbai. Mustafa, how did this happen? And at the moment, is everybody safe? Has everyone been evacuated?
Maha, at this point of time, the only thing which we don't have a clarity on is the casualties, whether anybody is injured in this fire or not, because it will take some time to deal with the fire. If you go by the standards of fire brigade, this is the number 2 call, which is a very serious call. Around 10 firefighting engines are there. Around 50 personnel from 3 fire stations around the venue has been stated there. The Chief Minister of State was there at this point of time, and the fire has taken place. So yes, obviously it's a disaster in terms of the venue and the huge event which was taking place there. It's something which was not the least expected, but it's a huge fire which at this point of time the fire brigade is trying to fight out, and the number of casualties, whether there is a casualty or not, is not clear.
All right, let's also connect with senior editor Sahil Joshi. Sahil, what details are you getting from the venue of Make in India at the moment?
See, right now the whole area has been cordoned off, especially the area which is close to the stage, because the flow of the wind, especially in Mumbai today, was quite speedy, and because of that, and especially because it is the Girgaon Chowpatty, it's actually on the seashore. So this precaution needs to be taken. Secondly, the message what we are getting is that the dignitaries who were present on the stage at that particular time, Devendra Fadnavis, Uddhav Thackeray, Amir Khan and other dignitaries have been shifted to the safer place. So they have been taken off the stage. The fire brigade has sent a massive deployment spot. They do not know exact how many numbers of fire brigade vehicles have been sent, but there were some vehicles which were already there as a precautionary measure. So they are working on dousing the fire and getting it under control. But the speed of the wind is actually creating a huddle for that particular purpose. The nearby fire stations have been alerted and they have been asked to send more deployments at the spot. As Mustafa was mentioning, that number of casualties is very difficult to say at this point of time whether there are any casualties or not. But yes, the main dignitary is the VIP enclosure, because the stage was close to the VIP enclosure.
Yes.
So that has been vacated immediately.
Okay. Sahil and Mustafa, both of you stay on with us. Mayuresh Ganapathy has sent us this report from the venue of Make in India where the fire broke out.
आप देख सकते हैं विजुअल्स में कि महाराष्ट्र नाइट जो ये प्रोग्राम यहाँ पे कल्चरल नाइट शुरू हुआ था, उसको अचानक से जो है यहाँ पे आग लगी है। पूरा स्टेज जो है वो इस आग के लपेट में आ गया। आप देख सकते हैं फिलहाल जो है और फायर ब्रिगेड के अधिकारी जो है यहाँ पे पूरी तरह से इस आग को कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जो है ये आग बहुत ही ज्यादा बड़े पैमाने पे लगी। आप देख सकते हैं किस तरह से फायर ब्रिगेड के अधिकारी यहाँ पे जूझ रहे हैं और पुलिसकर्मी जो है यहाँ पे जूझ रहे हैं आग बुझाने के लिए, आग को काबू करने के लिए। इस पूरे स्टेज जो यहाँ पे बनाया गया था गिरगांव चौपाटी को, उसको बड़े पैमाने पे यहाँ पे आग लग गई है। आग का जो कारण है अभी तक पता नहीं चला, लेकिन ये पूरा स्टेज जो था वो इस तरह से जला है कि आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे कुछ मिनट पहले जो है वो कल्चरल इवेंट चल रहा था। अमिताभ बच्चन, हेमा मालिनी जैसे दिग्गज लोगों ने यहाँ पे परफॉर्म किया, लेकिन आप देख सकते हैं कि इस स्टेज की क्या स्थिति हुई है। अभी तक पता नहीं है कि कोई अंदर फंसा है, नहीं फंसा है, और लेकिन पुलिस प्रशासन और फायर ब्रिगेड जो है वो पूरी तरह से जो है वो अपना काम कर रहे हैं और यहाँ पे पूरी तरह से आग जो है वो मिटाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उसको काबू में लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। कैमरा पर्सन सचिन सावंत के साथ मयूरेश गणपति, मुंबई आज तक।
Sahil, I want to come back to you for more details. You know, we saw performers on the stage when this fire broke out, and within no time this fire spread across the stage, despite the fact that fire extinguishers were used to douse it. We can also see some of the stage lights falling onto the stage. Clearly, this is a very serious matter. Manikrao Thakre, the Congress party, is now on the phone line with us. Sir, first of all, do you have any information about this fire that broke out at the Make in India event? We understand there were a lot of dignitaries from across political parties who were there. All right, we'll try and connect with some more people in just a bit. Let's quickly tell you what we're taking you through at this point is of a massive fire engulfing the entire stage at the Make in India event venue near Girgaon Chowpatty in Mumbai. The fire broke out on the stage in one corner while a performance was on the stage, and then rapidly spread across the stage. In fact, these are live visuals that are coming to you at the moment from Mumbai. You can see that despite initial efforts to douse the fire has only raged on. The stage lights falling onto the stage and people running for the exits is what we understand. The police was present there, other people who are managing the entire event, asking people to leave. The performers were asked to run off the stage immediately. At the moment, we are not aware of the number of people who could have been injured in this fire breakout in Mumbai.
अंदर कुछ भी हो सकता है। बड़ी चीज अगर दुर्घटना यहाँ पे इससे भी ज्यादा बढ़ती है तो कोई जीवित हानि ना हो, किसी को चोट ना पहुंचे, इसलिए मुंबई पुलिस यहाँ पे तैनात है। तकरीबन 200 से भी ज्यादा मुंबई पुलिस के कर्मचारी यहाँ पे तैनात है। यहाँ पे दमकल के कर्मचारी बहुत ही जी बिल्कुल
All right, so that was Mayuresh Ganapati, who was getting us the latest details there from Mumbai, telling us about the people who were running to the exits. In fact, he's also pointing out that about 200 police personnel are at the moment present there. They have evacuated most of the people from the venue, but remember, a performance was on at the time the stage caught fire. The performers could be seen on stage with a small fire breaking out on one corner of the stage and rapidly spreading across the stage, almost gutting it, as we can see at the moment, with stage lights also falling onto the platform there. Mayuresh Ganapati is now joining us with more details. In fact, the latest what we know at this point is that lots of fire brigades have already reached the spot. As Sahil was pointing out initially, that this stage venue, or rather the venue of the Make in India for this particular event, was near Girgaon Chowpatty, and the wind that was blowing has only facilitated this fire in raging and gutting the entire stage. As you can see that the fire still rages on despite efforts to douse it.
यहाँ से जो हमें हटाया गया है, जो सामान्य नागरिक थे, जो ऑफिसर्स थे, आईएएस ऑफिसर्स थे, आईपीएस ऑफिसर्स थे, वो यहाँ पे है। आईएएस ऑफिसर्स, उनकी फैमिलीज जो यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम देखने आई थी, उनको यहाँ से जो है वो निकाला गया है, सेफली निकाला गया है। हमें ये भी बताया गया है कि आर्टिस्ट जो बैक स्टेज पे काम कर रहे थे, उनको भी वहां से निकाला गया है। तो ये फिलहाल खबर आ रही है कि बैक स्टेज से जो जितने भी आर्टिस्ट थे, क्योंकि इस लावणी नृत्य से पहले ही कुछ चंद, हम कह सकते हैं कि 5 से 10 मिनट पहले ही अमिताभ बच्चन ने परफॉर्म किया था। सब इस कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत जो है वो हेमा मालिनी जी ने की थी। कार्यक्रम स्टेज के सामने उद्धव ठाकरे, देवेंद्र फडणवीस, खुद महाराष्ट्र सरकार के बाकी कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर आदित्य ठाकरे जैसे सब लोग बड़े बड़े यहाँ पे थे। इन सबको जो है यहाँ से निकाला गया है और फिलहाल दमकल के कर्मचारी जी जान से इस आग को काबू में लाने की जो है वो प्रयत्न कर रहे हैं, कोशिश कर रहे हैं। पुलिस ने जो है वो एरिया पूरा कॉर्डन ऑफ कर दिया है, मीडिया को एक तरफ कर दिया है रिपोर्टिंग के लिए, और लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे ना आए, और ये जो एरिया है साउथ मुंबई का, गिरगांव चौपाटी का, उसके अगल बगल में ना आए।
All right, Mayuresh Ganapati there giving us details of the people who had performed just before this fire broke out. Amitabh Bachchan had barely left the stage about 10 minutes before this fire broke out. The event was kick-started by a performance by Hema Malini. At the point the fire broke out, there were performers on the stage who were present. There was a fire that broke out on one corner of the stage, and within minutes it gained this humongous proportion, nearly gutting the entire stage, which we can see at the moment, with the lights on the stage also falling onto the podium there. Those performers were immediately asked by the people to just leave the stage and run off to the exits. The people inside the venue were also looking for exits to leave. Mayuresh is also telling us that there were a lot of dignitaries sitting there in the front rows. They were immediately asked to evacuate as well. 200 Mumbai police personnel are there at the moment trying to escort people out. The management also trying to get the situation under control, but as the visuals are suggesting to us at the moment, the fire has still not been brought under control. These are visuals that are perhaps taken from a little distance, and you can see how the fire is raging on, engulfing the entire stage, and smoke billowing out of that fire. Chaotic situation there prevailed. On the right hand side you can see how some people are still standing not close to the stage but in the venue itself, even as this fire raged on. There were some people who immediately jumped onto the stage with fire extinguishers, but remember this venue was very close to Girgaon Chowpatty, because of which the winds that were blowing in that direction only facilitated this fire to become bigger, and the fire extinguishers which people were using initially did not help the situation. At the moment, our correspondent Mustafa Sheikh telling us that fire brigades have reached the venue and that the firemen are trying to douse this fire, which has now taken massive proportions at the Make in India venue in Mumbai. Okay, on the left-hand side of your television screens now is you can see the moment when this fire broke out. There you have it on your screens. Performers very much on the stage when that fire broke out on one corner of the stage. The performers were immediately asked by the people underneath the stage to quickly get off from the stage and look for the nearest exit. There were people who jumped onto the stage with fire extinguishers. However, the fire only gained a massive proportion there, gutting the entire stage, as we can understand at the moment. Mayuresh Ganapathy is now joining us with more details. Mayuresh, can you take us through the efforts that are being made at the moment to douse that fire?
Certainly, right now the fire is still on. You can see behind me, but the fire brigade officers are here, fire brigade personnel are here, along with more than 200 Mumbai police. You can see that the fire tenders from around the area have been rushed over here at this particular spot at Girgaon Chowpatty. We are expecting that more than 10 fire tenders are here. You can see that when this performances were started, it was a huge stage created by Nitin Chandrakant Desai, one of the renowned art.
मेकिंग इंडिया कार्यक्रम चालू होता. अचानक कार्यक्रम चालू असताना आग लागली. पुरा आता तुम्ही बघत असाल पुरा स्टेज जळत आहे आणि आम्ही आता जीव वाचून बाहेर पडत आहोत.
कशामुळे नेमकी ही आग लागली
अजून काय कारण कळलेलं नाही आपलं.
चला धन्यवाद.
All right, that was one of the eyewitnesses there. Let me go back to Mayuresh Ganapathy, who was filling us in with the latest. Yes, Mayuresh, you were talking about how the fire still rages on. The firemen trying to douse that fire that has now taken massive proportions.
यार बहुत फोन उचल.
Certainly, this fire has broken. See, I just wanted to tell our viewers that one Lavani performance. Lavani is a folk art of Maharashtra. It was happening, and all of a sudden, the fire broke out from under the stage. And now you can see behind me what exactly is the condition and situation of that stage. It was a very huge stage which was created by Nitin Chandrakant Desai. But in few minutes, we can say that stage has totally collapsed. The big cranes which were holding the lights, they were started collapsing on the stage. We have been given to understand is that Mumbai police have vacated all the people who have come over here to see this cultural night and see this event. There were IS officers, their family, even Devendra Fadnavis was here with his family, but all of them Mumbai police have vacated this place and all of them are at the proper place, and the Mumbai police have requested all the people to not come at this side because right now the main aim or their main work is to douse off this fire and control this fire,
certainly.
which is there since last 15 minutes. Back to you.
Right, Mayuresh telling us that most of the people, rather all the people have been evacuated from the venue where this fire broke out. Many thanks, Mayuresh, for getting us all those details. Taking a very quick break, but leaving you with those visuals of the fire that engulfed the entire stage at the Make in India venue in Mumbai. It's raging on at the moment. Efforts are on to douse it. All right, reports coming in of a major fire that broke out at the Make in India event in Mumbai. The fire broke out on one corner of the stage and rapidly spread across. This while a performance was still on the stage, and Amitabh Bachchan had performed barely minutes before this fire broke out. All the people at the venue have been evacuated is what we understand, and efforts are being made presently to douse that fire, bring it under control. Even as we can see, the entire stage gutted with the light stands falling all over the place, and efforts were made initially by people, the organizers, to bring the fire under control using fire extinguishers. But because this venue is very close to Girgaon Chowpatty, there were winds that facilitated the fire, a small one that started in one corner to rapidly spread across the stage. Fire brigades are there in place now, bringing the fire under control, even as all the people have been evacuated safely from the venue. Mayuresh Ganapathy is now joining us with more details from Mumbai. Mayuresh, take us through what's happening at the moment.
बिल्कुल हम कह सकते हैं कि चंद मिनट पहले यहाँ पर certainly Maha, as you said that all the people have been evacuated from this particular place safely, even the families of IS officers, the families of minister, even Maharashtra CM himself and other celebrities including Shreyas Talpate, Isha Kopikar, Hema Malini ji, then your Amitabh Bachchan who perform on this particular stage. Right now we have been given to understand is that more than 10 fire tenders are at this place, and many more are coming, and because you can see that this fire brigade is totally in control of the front part of the stage where this fire broke out, but right now they are fighting for this backstage, where right now you can see in the visuals also the fire is still on. So right now fire brigade is totally trying their hard to douse off this fire which is there at the backstage, but they have taken the control of this front stage area, and you can see this scenario over here is really very sad, because we were witnessing this program which was happening over here, and during one of the performance of the Lavani, all of a sudden this fire broke out from under the stage, and now you can see what exactly is the situation over here, because it was a huge stage created by Nitin Chandrakant Desai, and now you can see what exactly has happened to this stage. This stage has totally collapsed. You can see these light barriers are still hanging over there from one side. Fire tenders are fighting hard to get control of the fire which is still there at the backstage. We have been given to understand is that so far there is no report of any casualty or any injury, but still we are waiting for the official confirmation from Mumbai Police and Fire Brigade officials that what exactly is the status, that is there anyone who got injured or not, because it was just a matter of a second that this fire broke out, and it spreaded on basically a whole that stage, including the backstage area also, where a lot of artists were there and they were waiting for their turn to get performed. Back to you.
Mayuresh, there were performers on the stage when the fire broke out. Any word on whether all those performers are safe? Has nobody been injured?
We have been given to understand by authorities over here that they were also evacuated along with other dignitaries, because they were the one who were actually very close to that fire, because it was a live performance which was happening, and all of a sudden this fire broke out. So we have been given to understand that the on-stage actors or on-stage performers were immediately evacuated by authorities over here. The one good thing which happened, or we should mention that because of this huge event, the fire officers, the fire tender machine and the fire brigade personnel were already here. That's why immediately they took control of the situation and they started their operation very immediately. We can say within the seconds of the fire broke out, the fire officers were at the spot and they started their operation. So we should appreciate their effort.
So Mayuresh, how many people approximately were present at that venue there when this fire broke out?